Hi, fellow adventure seekers. Waterfalls, nature's majestic masterpieces, cascade through the landscapes of our world, each offering a unique blend of beauty and awe. From the towering heights of Angel Falls to the thundering power of Niagara Falls, these natural wonders captivate and inspire travelers of all kinds. Every journey to these spectacular sights becomes an adventure, and every adventure adds to the rich tapestry of experiences we cherish. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast or a lover of nature's wonders, waterfalls have something to offer every traveler. Here's a closer look at the top 10 waterfalls to visit in the world. Number 10. Angel Falls. Marvel at the world's highest uninterrupted waterfall, Angel Falls, located in Venezuela's Canaima National Park. Plunging from a height of 3,212 feet, the sight of water free-falling into the depths below is breathtaking. The surrounding lush tropical rainforest enhances the allure of this natural wonder, making it a must-visit destination for any adventurer. Number 9. Jog Falls. Experience the raw power and beauty of Jog Falls, India's second highest plunge waterfall. Located in the state of Karnataka, these falls drop a staggering 830 feet, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. The monsoon season brings Jog Falls to its full glory, with 4 distinct cascades merging into one mighty torrent. Number 8. Victoria Falls. Witness the grandeur of Victoria Falls, one of the largest waterfalls in the world, straddling the border between Zambia and Zimbabwe. Known locally as Mosi Oatunya, or the smoke that thunders, Victoria Falls offers a breathtaking display of water and mist. The surrounding area is rich with wildlife and adventure opportunities, making it a perfect destination for nature lovers. Number 7. Iguazu Falls. Be enchanted by the spectacular Iguazu Falls, located on the border between Argentina and Brazil. This massive waterfall system consists of 275 individual falls spread over 1.7 miles, creating an awe-inspiring panorama. The surrounding subtropical rainforest adds to the magic, offering ample opportunities for exploration and wildlife observation. Number 6. Dudhsagar Falls. Discover the enchanting beauty of Dudhsagar Falls in India's Goa state. The name translates to Sea of Milk, reflecting the milky white appearance of the cascading water. Surrounded by lush greenery and accessible by a scenic train ride, Dudhsagar Falls is a hidden gem that promises a unique and memorable experience. Number 5. Rhine Falls. Explore the historic and powerful Rhine Falls, located in Switzerland. As Europe's largest waterfall, Rhine Falls impresses with its width of 492 feet and height of 75 feet. The falls are easily accessible, offering stunning views from various platforms and boat tours that bring you close to the roaring waters. Number 4. Plitvice Falls. Immerse yourself in the fairy tale-like setting of Plitvice Falls in Croatia's Plitvice Lakes National Park. This UNESCO World Heritage Site features a series of cascading lakes and waterfalls surrounded by lush forest. The crystal-clear waters and vibrant colors create an enchanting atmosphere, perfect for hiking and photography. Number 3. Ban Geoc Waterfall. Experience the serene beauty of Ban Geoc Waterfall, located on the border between Vietnam and China. This picturesque waterfall is divided into several tiers, creating a stunning multi-level cascade. The surrounding karst landscape and peaceful river setting make Ban Geoc Waterfall a tranquil escape for nature enthusiasts. Number 2. Kayatur Falls. Venture into the remote jungles of Guyana to witness the impressive Kayatur Falls. Dropping 741 feet in a single, powerful plunge, Kayatur is one of the world's tallest and most powerful waterfalls. The untouched beauty and sheer force of the falls make it a true adventure for those willing to explore off the beaten path. Number 1. Niagara Falls. Be captivated by the iconic Niagara Falls spanning the US-Canada border. Comprising Horseshoe Falls, American Falls, and Bridal Veil Falls, it showcases nature's power and beauty. Enjoy close encounters on boat tours or panoramic views from observation decks. This breathtaking wonder guarantees an unforgettable experience for every visitor. These top 10 waterfalls weave a vivid tapestry of experiences, showcasing the extraordinary diversity our planet has to offer. Each waterfall tells a unique story, from the ethereal beauty of Angel Falls to the vibrant pulse of Niagara Falls. Whether you crave the majesty of natural beauty, the thrill of adventure, or serene relaxation, these waterfalls have it all. So, pack your bags and embark on an exhilarating journey to uncover the vast and enchanting wonders these remarkable waterfalls have to offer. Adventure awaits, and the world is your canvas. Feel free to share this with a fellow adventure seeker. Your likes are invaluable as they help amplify our message, making it visible to more fellow explorers. Until then, see you on the next destination.